Want to see the report or insights of your Instagram post? Here's how in seconds. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search for Instagram, and tap Update if available. Instagram Repost feature only works on the latest updates in 2025. Open your Instagram account and go to your profile. Now, you'll see the Repost option. Tap on it to view all your reposts. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.